Hello and welcome to Penguin's Wanderlust. I'm here with Penguin, Gunther, Phil, and Penny, and today we are going to show you my very first attempt at making a junk journal. I've wanted to make one for several years now, and so yesterday I was watching more videos and I gave it a try. So here it is. This is what I've made, and here's the back, and I've added a little enclosure here just with yarn, and I made a tassel. There's the tassel, and it actually holds the book together. I did have a word here that it's underneath the strings though, and it said dream. But anyway, I'll just open it up. I made it as a gift for tonight's Toastmaster party. So I used some paper that I got from a catalog. I put some acrylic paint from the dollar store to cover up some of the words. Some of the pages I soaked in coffee, and other ones I did with tea. The tea ones came out a stronger color. And I took some pages from a magazine, put them in. And I also included some original white papers that I didn't do with the coffee or with the tea. And I put in some envelopes, and everything's a little sticky because I've been rushing all day. I put some pictures on how to draw expressions. I've got a little pocket here, and don't know where my tripod is. Anyway, I put a little calendar for next year in there so it'll be useful. Put some picture there, some more magazine page. More painting. Anyway, I hope whoever ends up with it ends up liking it. Anyway, I put a little collage there. And I put a Sudoku puzzle here, and the solution is towards the back somewhere. I'll have to hunt, keep them from cheating. And I put in a thing on identifying bird silhouettes into the pocket there. More little magazine clippings. And here's the rest of the faces. Oh dear. That's what happens when you're in a hurry. So I had a lot of fun making it. So I think that is the important thing. I found that I had a magazine from quite a few years ago, and it had about the Chinese horoscope. So I added some stuff in. Here, this turned out not to be washi tape, it's just ribbon, so I glued it in. Glued in the rabbit confetti. Took a picture from a Toastmaster magazine, put it in here because it's for Toastmasters. Here's some more magazine stuff. And I put in this little bank envelope here. And there's a secret in this side. This side has a dime in it because it's kind of like a wallet. My family always put dimes into wallets just to, you know, give them some luck, attract some more money. And I also added onto the top, I added this little tag as kind of like a bookmark. So anyway, that is my book, and hopefully it gets well received, and now I have to wrap it. So anyway, that's it. Bye.